Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome aboard. If you like wig tutorials and if you like to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a beat, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. Stay tuned and I will see you soon.
Perfect.
Today's unit is the Sensationnel 9 Cloud Swiss Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber, HD lace. Keep 'em guessing, girl. LATISHA. It's from the Wet Lace collection, and it's a hairline illusion lace wig. And here is what the card looks like. And it comes in a lot of specialty colors. And I am feeling this wig, and I'm feeling myself for even doing this. If you are not new to my channel, you know that I struggle with the baby hairs and the, laying stuff down, but practice makes perfect. I'm getting there. Proud of myself. Yes. So I got this unit from Wig Types for about like $53 in that price range. I do think that is steep for a synthetic hair unit. I mean, I appreciate the look of it and how natural it looks, but I just feel like $53 is a lot of money. It does have a 13x6 lace, and it is ear to ear, as you guys can see. And it's deep hand tied, pre-plucked, natural density, undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. And I agree with all of that. It's just for me personally, for some synthetic hair, I just feel like it's just too much work. This is a nice unit and I'm feeling the texture and I'm feeling the unit, but it's just too much work for synthetic. It does have 2 combs on the sides, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and it definitely is big head friendly. I had to make it super tight on my head for it to fit. And yes, it does have a natural curl-like texture. And yes, it's so cute. The only thing that I think is off is that it's like a weird layer. I don't know what's going on, but you know, maybe the curls could be cut so it could just be even, but it is like a weird layer. I'm gonna give you guys 360 to see if you can see it. Yeah, that's the only thing. I just thought that was a little bit weird. I guess it's okay. It looks like the girl who's wearing the card, you know, they combed it out a little bit. Yeah. And maybe that's where like the fullness comes in from, but I would, you know, cut it like right there. I haven't experienced any shedding, so that's a plus. There isn't any tangling as of yet. You know, longer hair units do tend to tangle quickly, but I just took this out the package and it does have a nice amount of thickness to it. So yeah, it does have a nice amount of thickness to this. So I'm happy with this unit. The only thing that I think is strange is like you know, is a drastic change in the length. Other than that, this is cute. I'm feeling this sensational. So the lace was a tad bit light for me, so I did go in with my beauty blender underneath and I put some concealer on. As you guys saw, I sprayed my Got To Be Glued and it melted in seamlessly with my hairline. I did use some edge control and I cut like just a tad bit of hair from my edges. Yeah, it took me a little second because I'm still newer at this. So yes, I'm trying to give you guys some vacation vibes because I want to be on vacation right now. So, you know, let me know your thoughts below. Drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. Did I slay it? You know, I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and let me know your thoughts below. And before we go, I know everyone is in quarantine. My husband and I have our own business on Amazon. If you guys are working out right now or if you have hot flashes, we are selling cooling towels. You get 2 in a pack for $19. They are on Amazon. The link is listed below. And you wet the towel, you wring it, and then you shake it and it keeps you cool. So if you're working out and you're hot and sweaty, it will keep you cool during your workout. Or if you or someone you know that has hot flashes, my mom loves this. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know your thoughts below. And yes, I will see you next time.